Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by gathering the files you need and opening ExpressZip. Select the exact folders and files now. This saves time later. You choose a destination and confirm you have right access, because failed saves waste effort. Then set a compression level, fast for speed, maximum for size reduction. Once done, give the archive a clear name and pick ZIP format unless compatibility requires another. Be deliberate here. Choices affect speed, size, and compatibility downstream. Now you build the archive itself. Drag files into the new archive or click Add Files, making sure to preserve folder structure when needed so extraction is predictable. If confidentiality matters, enable encryption and choose AES 256. This prevents casual access. Next, configure splitting into volumes if you'll transfer on USB or email. Specify 100 MB, 700 MB, or other limits. Make sure to review file list and options. Incorrect. Finish by pressing Create and watching progress. You'll see speed and estimated time. Once complete, always test extraction into a temp folder so you confirm integrity and that passwords work. If you use splitting, make sure all parts are present before extracting. If something goes wrong, check disk space and folder permissions first, then update ExpressZip. Outdated builds can cause compatibility errors. Finally, keep a backup copy until you're certain the archive is correct and transferable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.